Overall, the experience was much better than expected. I mean, if I would rate it on a scale of 10, I would say that the experience was an 11.
Thank you, Ms. David, for getting that interview. I have some questions for you about your experience in our clinic.
Sure.
So at first, what kind of problems did you meet in Tokyo?
So before arriving into Tokyo, I was having severe sensitivity and the pain was excruciating and I didn't know what to do. And when we did a Google, we found your clinic, and to my surprise, of course, you're always apprehensive when you're not going to your own dentist. And the quality of care here from the doctor was fantastic, I would have to say. It was exceptional.
Thank you so much.
We were staying in a hotel around the corner,
Yes.
and then we were lucky enough that you were a block away, and you speak English. I just found that you were incredibly conscientious in your work. And we managed to schedule 2 trips here, one to remove the crown and do the preliminary work.
Yes.
And the second trip was putting in the crown and actually getting teeth cleaning.
Yes.
And everything was really great.
Yes, exactly. That at first that you have maybe 2 hours work for the first treatment to remove those crowns to do root canal treatment at one time. And how about the feeling after the treatment?
Everything was fine because we were traveling around Japan. And then we came back for the second visit, but during that period of time I had no pain when the crown was removed.
Yes.
And yeah, there were no problems at all. So, I think the other thing that's important for me is because we have no insurance in
Yes.
Canada or in Japan when we were here. It was a very cost-effective treatment compared to what I was getting at home.
Yes.
So that was another huge benefit.
Yes. How was the experience during the treatment about?
Overall, the experience was much better than expected.
Really?
I mean, if I would rate it on a scale of 10, I would say that the experience was an 11. It was just as good or better than my experience back home.
Yes, thank you so much for your opinions. And so we accepted treatment. We talked a lot about maybe the cultures for your life in Canada, right? Yeah.
I think that culturally, there's so much that we have in common between, the North American culture and the Japanese culture.
Exactly.
And, I love it here. I absolutely love it here. I love, just the fact that the city is so clean. It's easy to get around. People are so friendly.
Yeah.
I mean, it's fantastic.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed your trips in Japan and you have a rest of 2 or 3 days, right?
We've got another few days here
Yes.
that we're going to enjoy ourselves.
I hope you can.
And hopefully we're not going to see you again.
Yes, exactly. Thank you so much for your time. Yes.
It's a pleasure.
You're
It's a
my
pleasure.
first Canadian friend, maybe.
Yeah,
Yes.
and a long-lasting friend.
Yes.
It's been
I
a
cannot
great
wait
experience.
for seeing you maybe several years later. Yes, if you do not have your teeth problems, you can come for me. Yes, we can have a meal.
This will be an annual visit here to get my dental work done, for
Yes.
Hello, here is Dr. Huang from Ginza ONE Dental Clinic. If you have any dental issue, don't hesitate to contact us and we will try my best to help you.